JoyToKey enables you to control most software, e.g. social web games, flash games, office applications, or even Windows itself by using your favorite window joystick. Whenever you press joystick buttons and sticks, JoyToKey will convert the joystick input into keyboard strokes or mouse movements so that the target application works as if you used a real keyboard or mouse. You can freely download JoyToKey from here, link. Try it on your PC and control various games and softwares with your joystick. If you find JoyToKey useful, you can purchase a license key at any time from the menu in JoyToKey or from the link on the left of this page. This shows you the various formats that can be inputted, what browser you're using, that sort of thing. So it's kind of like Magic Launcher in that you can configure each thing with the keys you want. So it's very versatile and you can switch back and forth. On the main screen you can create multiple profiles. In the left panel, right panel shows the button key assignments. You assign each button to a key. For the selected profile. In the example below, when sticks are pressed, arrow keys will be emulated. When button 1 is pressed, the input X will be emulated. But you can figure it any way you want. There's a button assignment window, so you can easily configure it. There's also what they call an auto setting wizard, so that you can let the software itself just make the decisions for you. But like I said, it's really easy to configure once you get in there and start fiddling with it. Associated profiles to target applications. So it gives you a lot more versatility, plus it works with a lot of devices, so it's pretty accessible. Here's a copy of the purchase license. It's $7. I suggest you, if you're going to buy it, that you can use it for free. It's not very limited for a trial basis, but the purchase license is $7, and it says PayPal, or I can't read what the other one is. And I've seen a few where you can download it for free. I wouldn't trust that because it would be loaded with garbage. Disclaimer, they're not taking any responsibility for anything that happens to your device, but I see lots of web pages where people without disabilities, gamers, are using this device to be able to have mouse and keyboard functions on their game controllers. You get it at CNET. Notice the note at the bottom. You have to be very careful as you're installing it that it doesn't dump a bunch of junkware, is what I call it, onto your computer. So you have to make sure you click off or check off, or what's the word British people use, tick off, the things that you don't want. And of course, the best, easiest way to avoid all that junk is to download the zip, open it with something like 7-zip, and download it that way onto your computer. It works with Windows 7, it works with, XP, it works with Windows 8. I saw some tutorials about using it with Mac. It seems to work with a lot of different kinds of keyboard options, like Xbox controller and a standard joystick, and some stuff that just look like aliens from outer space. These are examples of configuration modes, tips on how to configure it. Unfortunately, most of the video editorials are in other languages like Japanese, French, that kind of thing. But there are plenty of websites on how to use this adaptation. If working a mouse and a keyboard is an issue and a joystick would be easier for you for playing the game, this is definitely a worthwhile option. Thanks for watching.